Hello, welcome to Riding with Josh. I'm Josh, and today we're stealth camping in the cold. The purpose of today's video is to demonstrate that you can camp for free anywhere you want to. All you got to do is open your phone, look at Google Maps, and voila, free camping. Can't beat it. Right now I am actually in a neighborhood. Right up behind me up this way is a hospital. Right out that way is a neighborhood. So hopefully I don't get caught back here. I think this is a pretty secure location. I found this looking at Google Images. That's how I found all my spots. Just open it up, go to the satellite images, search for anywhere that looks like it's off the beaten path. Find dirt roads, anything like that. You can find free camping very easy. I'll show you in my phone in just a minute how I found this location. Here's my Google Images. As I was saying before, you can go to satellites, you can look around, and you can find all sorts of places to camp. I personally saved spots, so we can zoom in right here. This is in Green Ridge State Forest. Off of this road right here. It's a dirt road. It is in the middle of nowhere, free camping. Just like that. Where I'm at today, like I had mentioned before, there's the little hospital above me. I'm right here, neighborhood. There's some real big houses up where I'm at right here. Let me show you. Those are just right up above me. Like I say, I'm right in here. So yeah, nice area. And as you can see, it's very easy to find places to camp. Find them, mark them, go to them, enjoy. Camp is all set up. Got a good dinner that I'm going to cook tonight, and we have a nice beer selection. We have a Sweetwater 420 strain. It's a G13 IPA made in Georgia. And then Terrapin. You have the Hopsecutioner, another Georgia beer. I'm originally from Georgia, so I like to have a Georgia beer whenever I can find them. Almost dark now. I'm going to go ahead and start dinner. I am going to be cooking breakfast for dinner. Over here, I've got some eggs. I got some red potatoes I diced up, seasoned. I've got some butter. I'm going to cook those up. I have some good bacon from the Meat Man. And some fresh ground sausage. Should be delicious. All finished. Hobo breakfast. Alright, well, dinner is done. That was worth the cook time. What's funny is I washed my plate to bring with me. I have camping plates. I washed one of them to bring with me. I forgot it whenever I left the house, so I've had to dump all my stuff into my pot from my frying pan after I cooked it, so that's why it's a mix-up today. Oh well, can't win them all. Tastes just the same. Yeah, it's very good. Sorry about the lighting, I know it's not too good. But I'm going to eat some dinner, and then I'm going to watch a movie, and I will get back to you in a little bit. Dinner was very good, no complaints. Full, starting to snow a little bit, so I'm just going to get in a sleeping bag. I'm watching John Carpenter's The Thing right now. Good movie. And I will talk to you if anything happens. If not, we'll see you in the morning. So far, so good. Stealth camp is a success. Hopefully it stays that way. It is 7 o'clock at night. I plan on being out of here, hopefully up at 5 a.m. and everything packed in the dark and out of here by 6. So, have a good night. Good morning. 5 o'clock. It was a good night's sleep. A little bit cold, but everything was good. Nobody found me here. It was pretty quiet for the night, so I would say it's a success. I'm gonna pack up and get home. Well, the bike is packed up now. Everything's ready to go on it. Just got to start it and let it warm up. Was a very good night. Hopefully this is focused for you. I don't know if it is or not. Hang on, let me flip that around. There we go. But it was a good night. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when future videos come out. Everybody ride safe. We'll see you next time. Alright, we got the bike all packed up. Just need to start it, let it warm up for a minute, and I will be on my way home. Thank you for joining me on this overnight stealth camp trip. Hope you enjoyed it. There will be more to come. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you enjoyed what you saw. Everybody ride safe. We'll see you on the next video.